From the cosmic perspective, Earth is a delicate blue sphere cradled by the invisible hand of gravity. It's this force that holds our atmosphere, dictates the ebb and flow of our tides, and keeps us firmly planted on the ground. But what if, in the blink of an eye, this cosmic anchor disappeared? Imagine a world where the ground beneath your feet no longer offers support, where the oceans defy their boundaries, and the very air we breathe escapes into the vacuum of space. This is the terrifying scenario we're about to explore, a journey to an Earth stripped of the force that binds it together. How long could our planet, our home, survive such a catastrophic event? Would it be a matter of minutes, hours, days? Let's find out. In the first fleeting second, the world dissolves into chaos. Imagine sipping coffee or walking the dog. Suddenly, you're weightless. It's not just lightness, it's a complete absence of gravity. Everything around you begins to drift upwards. Cars, buildings, and people all floating. Wonder turns to panic as the air thins. Our atmosphere begins to dissipate into space. Oxygen thins, leaving us gasping for breath. The blue sky fades to black as our atmosphere bleeds away. As the first minute of this gravitational nightmare unfolds, Earth itself begins to contort and shudder. Our planet, no longer held together by the invisible hand of gravity, starts to lose its shape. The once familiar spherical form begins to warp and distort. Imagine looking out at the horizon and witnessing mountains crumble and oceans ripple upwards, defying the very laws of nature we've come to accept. The Earth's crust, composed of massive tectonic plates, would become like a jigsaw puzzle shaken apart. With no force to hold them in place, these plates grind against each other, unleashing unimaginable earthquakes across the globe. Volcanoes, once dormant giants, erupt in fiery explosions, spewing molten lava and ash into the thinning atmosphere. 5 minutes into this gravitational apocalypse, the very lifeblood of our planet, water, turns against us. No longer tethered by gravity, the oceans begin their own exodus, transforming from serene bodies of water into gigantic floating blobs. Imagine looking up to see colossal spheres of water shimmering like monstrous soap bubbles drifting against the backdrop of a star-studded void. Inside these watery prisons, marine life faces a terrifying demise. Some creatures trapped within the water spheres would face a slow death from lack of oxygen or the crushing pressure as the spheres coalesce in space. The ocean floor, once a hidden world of mystery and wonder, would be exposed to the harsh vacuum of space, its secrets laid bare in the most devastating way imaginable. 30 minutes into this gravitational demise, the Earth would be a chilling spectacle of silence and emptiness. Gone is the familiar azure sky, replaced by the infinite blackness of space, dotted with the cold, distant light of stars. Without the protective embrace of the atmosphere, the Earth's surface would be bombarded by lethal cosmic radiation, sterilizing anything that might have clung to life in this desolate new reality. The planet's temperature would undergo extreme fluctuations, swinging wildly between scorching heat when exposed to the sun's unfiltered rays and freezing cold when shrouded in the darkness of space. The once vibrant ecosystems, lush rainforests, sprawling savannas, bustling cities, would be reduced to silent, lifeless landscapes. The only movement would be the slow, agonizing drift of dust and debris, dancing to the tune of a silent cosmic wind. As the first hour of this gravitational nightmare reaches its end, the very heart of our planet, its molten core, would be laid bare. Imagine, if you will, the Earth as a cosmic apple, its skin peeled away to reveal the fiery inferno within. This core, a place of unimaginable heat and pressure, is held in check by the immense force of gravity. But with gravity gone, the core, no longer confined, would begin to expand outwards in a catastrophic explosion. The Earth's crust, already fractured and weakened, would be torn apart by this internal upheaval. 3 hours into this gravitational apocalypse, Earth would be unrecognizable, a chaotic jumble of debris hurtling through the emptiness of space. The once vibrant planet, teeming with life and beauty, would be reduced to a graveyard of shattered dreams. Gone would be the familiar continents, the majestic mountains, the life-giving oceans. In their place, a swirling mass of rock, water and metal, each fragment a silent testament to the unimaginable forces unleashed. The Earth's once pristine magnetic field, our shield against the sun's harmful radiation, would be gone, leaving the remnants of our planet exposed to the full fury of the cosmos. The beautiful Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis, those celestial dances of light, would be extinguished, their memory a poignant reminder of what once was. 6 hours into this gravitational apocalypse, the Earth's faithful companion, the Moon, would be set adrift. For billions of years, the Moon has danced around our planet, its gravitational pull dictating the rhythm of our tides, its gentle light illuminating our night sky. But with Earth's gravity gone, the Moon would be like a child who has lost its parent in a crowd. It would drift aimlessly, its once predictable orbit now a chaotic, unpredictable path through the solar system. It might be captured by the gravitational pull of another planet, becoming a moon of a new world, or it might continue its solitary journey, a silent sentinel to a cosmic tragedy. The loss of the Moon would have profound implications for the Earth's remnants. As the first 12 hours of this gravitational nightmare pass, the consequences of Earth's demise would ripple outwards, upsetting the delicate gravitational balance of our solar system. While the Sun's immense gravity dominates our corner of the galaxy, the planets too exert their own subtle gravitational influences on each other. With Earth's mass suddenly gone, the other planets would experience a slight but significant shift in their orbits. Venus and Mars, our closest neighbors, would feel the effects most strongly, their paths around the Sun subtly altered. The asteroid belt, that ring of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter, would be particularly susceptible to Earth's absence. Without Earth's gravitational shepherding, the asteroid belt could become more unstable, potentially sending asteroids hurtling towards other planets, including those that might harbor life. 24 hours after Earth's gravity vanished, the Sun would notice the absence of its third planet. The Sun's immense gravitational pull holds sway over our solar system, but the planets exert a counterpull, maintaining equilibrium. Earth's removal creates a tiny imbalance in this cosmic ballet. This imbalance could have long-term consequences for our solar system's stability. The Sun's rotation could be minimally affected by Earth's absence. The Sun, a symbol of constancy, reminds us that even small changes can have far-reaching consequences. 48 hours after gravity's disappearance, Earth would be nothing more than a fading memory, a cautionary tale whispered among the stars. The planet that was once our cradle, our home, would be reduced to a scattered cloud of debris, adrift in the vast emptiness of space. The once vibrant blue and green sphere, teeming with life, would be gone, replaced by a silent, desolate trail of rock, water, and the remnants of human civilization. The echoes of our existence, radio waves, light pollution, even the Voyager spacecraft would continue to propagate through the universe. But these fading signals would eventually be swallowed by the vastness of space, leaving no trace of the vibrant life that once flourished on our planet. As we contemplate this chilling hypothetical, it's easy to feel a sense of dread, a fear of the unknown. But the good news is that such a scenario, the sudden and complete disappearance of Earth's gravity, is astronomically unlikely. Gravity is a fundamental force woven into the very fabric of our universe, and Earth's mass ensures its gravitational hold remains strong. However, the possibility of external forces like a rogue black hole or some yet unknown cosmic phenomenon disrupting Earth's gravity while remote isn't entirely implausible. It serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains us and the importance of continued scientific exploration and understanding. What do you think would be the scariest part of losing gravity? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing content.